Yeah. Namaste children. Welcome to the math class. Today I am going to start new chapter which is linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Now let's see what is the meaning of this title name first. What is the meaning of this linear one? Linear is nothing but degree 1. Linear is nothing but degree 1. I mean highest power is 1. Sir, what is mean by these equations? Equations are nothing but which have equality sign. I mean simply equal symbol. So that equal symbol, that equality symbol will separate both equal symbol before, afterward we can say equal symbol before we call it as LHS. After we call it as RHS. Left hand side part, right hand side part. Both are going to separate with equal symbol. If it has equal symbol, it is called equation. Yes. What is mean by two variables? Two variables are nothing but we have there two unknown values. How many are there here? Two unknown values. We have two unknown values are there. Yes. How can I represent these two unknown values? By using variables. I mean by using alphabets. Now let's see all together. Linear equation in two variables means what? An equation which has degree 1 with two unknown values. I mean two variables. An equation which has degree 1 with two variables is called linear equation in two variables. That is the meaning of our title name. So before going to our title, let's recall our previous knowledge. Let's recall our previous knowledge. See, in previous class we learned linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Then tell me what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable. Yes. Linear degree 1 equation equal to sign one variable means which has only one unknown value, only one variable. So how can we write this definition? An equation having, what is the degree? Linear means what? Linear means what? Degree 1. An equation having degree 1 and how many variables? One variable. An equation having degree 1 and one variable is called linear equation. Is called linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So let me repeat once. Linear equation in one variable is nothing but an equation which has degree 1 with one variable. See once here, an equation having degree 1 and one variable is called linear equation in one variable. Let's see some examples now. Like 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, I can see equal symbol which gives equation. I can see the highest power is 1, degree 1, and also I can see only one variable. Yes, it is called linear equation one variable. An equation which is containing degree 1 with only one variable is called linear equation in one variable. Let us see one more example. Minus 7x is equal to 31. Even here I can see degree 1 with one variable. An equation with degree 1 and one variable is called linear equation one variable. More we can see one more example. Minus 3x is equal to 0. Yes, it is called linear equation in one variable. Let's see what is the standard form. Standard form used to call, or we can call general form also. The standard form of linear equation is which contains x term and constant. That's our maximum. So the standard form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a comma b all belongs to real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A value is other than 0. We can take any real number. If I take a is equal to 0, 0 into x will become 0. 0 plus b means only constant. To get a linear equation, I want x coefficient must be other than 0. Other than 0 we can take. Sir, can we take b is equal to 0? Yes, b value is any real number, positive, negative or 0. You can take any real number in the place of b. This is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Here we call as a is nothing but coefficient of x. What we can call coefficient. A is coefficient of x. What we can call b? B is constant. B is constant. This is about what is linear equation one variable and what is standard form. An equation having degree 1 with one variable is called linear equation in one variable. Now let's think about its solution. How can we find the solution? What is meant by solution first of all? Solution is nothing but the value of the variable. Here you can see the variable x. We have to find the value of the variable x, and the value of the variable x will satisfy the equation. Then it is called a solution. Right here, the value of the variable. The value of variable. The value of variable will satisfy the value of the variable will satisfy the equation. Solution is nothing but the value of the variable which satisfy the equation is called solution of that particular equation. Now let me find the solution of this. I am taking one example. 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. 5x minus 4 is equal to 0 is a linear equation with one variable. Now let me find the solution of this equation. How can I find out? 5x is equal to minus 4 by transpose plus 4. X is equal to how much? 4 into 5 as a transpose we can see by 5. Yes, x equal to 4 by 5 is called solution of 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Solution means what I said? The value of the variable 4 by 5 is the value of the variable x and will satisfy the equation. I mean, when I substitute this 4 by 5 in the given equation, it will satisfy its things. Satisfies nothing but by substituting this should get LHS is equal to RHS. Let us check it once. What is the given equation now? 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. In the place of x, I got 4 by 5. 5 into, in the place of x, 4 by 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 cancel. 5 answer, 5 answer. Yes, I got 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes. Now we can say that 4 by 5 is the solution of this linear equation one variable. Why? Because 4 by 5 is the value of the variable x which satisfy the given equation. So that we can say that it is solution of this linear equation one variable. Think about it once. Is there any other solution? I mean, other than this 4 by 5, is there any solution for this? How can we find that solution? How many solutions are possible for linear equation one variable? Yes, x equal to 4 by 5 is only the solution of this linear equation one variable. No other value of x will not satisfy the equation. Only this is the value which satisfies the equation. So from this what we can conclude? A linear equation one variable has unique solution. How many solutions, ma? One solution. Let me write here once. The right here now linear equation. Yes, linear equation one variable. Linear equation one variable has unique solution. What is mean by unique? Only one solution. Only one solution. How can we find that one solution? Like this. By separating variable one side, when constant one side, we'll find the value of that particular variable. Hope you understood. Linear equation one variable means an equation which has degree 1 with one variable is called a linear equation one variable. This is the standard form. Ax plus b is equal to 0. And also we learned what is mean by solution. The value of the variable which satisfy the equation is called solution. This is the way to find the solution of a linear equation one variable. And also we observed that linear equation one variable has unique solution. I mean only one solution. And this linear equation one variable is also called as what we can call by the other name. Yes, it is also called as simple equation, which we studied in 7th class. It is also called as simple equation. Yeah. Now let's see linear equation in two variables. Just now we discussed our title name only. Linear equation in two variables. Linear degree 1. Equation equality symbol. Two variables, two alphabets, two unknown values. Now let's see definition. An equation having degree 1 and two variables is called linear equation in two variables. Equation which is having degree 1 and two variables is called linear equation in two variables. Let's see a few examples. Let me take 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Yes, here I can see degree 1 and more we can see equality symbol, and also we can see two variables which are x and y. Yes, it is called an example of linear equation in two variables, which is containing equality symbol, degree 1 with two variables. Let me take another example. 3y minus 17 is equal to 5x. Yes, even here I can see two variables x and y with degree 1. An equation having equality sign, so it is called equation. If there is no equality sign, it is called expression. An equation which having two variables x and y with degree 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Let's take one more example. 21x minus 37y is equal to 0. Even here I can see equality sign with two variables x and y with degree 1. So it is called linear equation in two variables. Now based on this, can you say what is standard form? Yes, so what is the standard form of linear equation two variables now? Standard form is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is called standard form of linear equation two variables, where x comma y are variables, a, b, c are constants, and the values of the constants a, b, c, a comma b comma c belongs to real number, and a is not equal to 0. At the same time b is also not equal to 0. So a comma b are non-zero real numbers. C we can take maybe 0 also, right? C we can take 0 or other than 0 also we can take. A is equal to what? Constant which is coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x. What about B? B is coefficient of y. Where C is equal to what? C is equal to constant term. C is equal to constant term. I told you don't take the a value 0. Sir, if I take a value 0, 0 into x 0, then we can see by plus c. It becomes linear equation one variable. So to get linear equation two variables, a value is other than 0. Same thing for b also even. If I take b is equal to 0, 0 into y 0, then we can see only ax plus 0, which gives linear equation one variable. So to get a linear equation two variables, x coefficient a, y coefficient b, those two values must be not equal to 0. Other than 0 we can take any real number. So this is about what is linear equation two variables and what is its standard form. I told you the linear equation one variable has only one solution. Now can you imagine how many solutions are possible for linear equation two variables? Sir, one variable one solution, two variable two solutions. No, solution is not dependent on degree. Then tell me how can I find how many solutions are exist? Yes, here I can see two unknown values x and y. The values of x and y which satisfy the equation are called solutions. How can you find that solutions? Let's see once. Let me take one example. Yes, let me take 5x minus 2y is equal 20. I'll take 5x minus 2y is equal 20. It is a linear degree 1 equation with two variables. Now I want to know the solutions. So here you can see two unknown values. Let me take the unknown value x is equal to some number which is 1. If x is equal to 1, then we'll see what is y value. Submit this x equal to 1 in this equation. Let me take this equation 1. Now submit this 5x minus 2y is equal to 20. In the place of x I am taking 1. Not only 1, you can take any value. 5. Let me take 1 here. In the place of x I am taking 1 minus 2y is equal to 20. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2y is equal to 20. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 by transpose minus 5. So minus 2y is equal to how much? 20 minus 5, 15. So y is equal to how much? 15 into by transpose minus 2. Denominator cannot be negatives. So we can write 15 by 2. That minus symbol we can write in the place of numerator. Yes. By taking x value 1, I got y value is minus 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2. Now solution of solution of this linear equation two variables we have to express as a order pair. We have to express as a order pair. So what is x value? 1. What is y value? Minus 15 by 2. 1 comma minus 15 by 2 is the solution of this linear equation two variables. If you want to check, take the equation in the place of x submit 1. In the place of y submit minus 15 by 2, should get both LHS RHS are equal. Then only it is called a solution of this equation. Let's check it now. Let me take the equation now. 5x minus 2y is equal to 20. Submit x is equal to 1. 5 into in the place of x 1 minus 2 into y value minus 15 by 2 is equal to how much? 20. Yes. Let me answer 2 ones are 2 ones are 5 ones are 5 minus into minus plus 15 is there is equal to RHS 20. 15 plus 5 20. Yes, I got LHS is equal to RHS. So here I can say that the value of the variables x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 15 by 2 are satisfied this equation, so that it is called a solution of this equation. Now tell me, is there any solutions or only one solution? By taking x equal to 1, I got this is the solution. If I take x equal to 2, we get one more y value. Again we can write the x comma y order as order pair, it becomes solution. Like that, how many possibilities are there for x? We can take infinite numbers, we can take any real number. So by taking infinite x values, we get infinite y values. So that we can see infinite number of order pairs. Now tell me from this, what is your conclusion? Can I say it has only one solution? X equal to 1, I got one solution. X equal to 2, you take, we get y value. Again x comma y one solution. So by taking different x values, we get different y values and we get different order pairs. From here we can conclude that a linear equation two variables has infinitely many solutions. What we can conclude now? Infinitely many solutions. We can write now linear equation two variables. Linear equation two variables has how many solutions? Yes, it has infinitely many solutions. X equal to, we get other solution. X equal 3, x equal 4, x equal minus 1. So there are different infinite x values, we get infinite y values, we can see infinite order pairs. This is about what is linear equation two variables, its standard form and how many solutions are possible for it. Hope you understood. Yeah. Now let's see small example. write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. They gave some equations and they are asking to write like a general form of linear equation, two variables, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Whatever the equation they give, we have to write like ax plus by plus c equal 0, and after that we have to find the values of a, b, c. Let's simplify this solution. We'll do one thing. See, right side we have is equal to 0. So whatever is there, right side terms are there, set all LHS. Right side I can see 4.75. Transfer this LHS. The reason is this I want to make like a general form of linear equation, two variables. So let me transfer this LHS. 5x minus 3 plus 4.75. If I transpose LHS, minus 4.75 is equal to what left? 1 or 0? 0, not 1. Now we have to write x term, y term, then constant. First let me write x term, then y term. No changes in symbol. The reason is it is already left hand side. Minus 4.7y, then constant. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, it is like a standard form of linear equation, two variables. I can see x term, y term, then constant. So after that, do comparison with general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to coefficient of x, b is equal to coefficient of y. A is equal to how much? X coefficient a. X coefficient how much? 5. I can write a is equal to 5. What about b? No, b is nothing but y coefficient. What is the y coefficient here? Minus 4.7. Coefficient is what? No, multiplier. So b is equal to how much? Minus 4.7. What about c? C is equal to constant term, which is minus 3. We'll go for second one. So RHS we have 0. When right side there is no term, we'll transfer this all LHS. 4 plus minus x if I transpose, plus x plus root 3y if I transpose, minus root 3y is equal to 0. Now this we need to arrange like a standard form. X term, y term, then constant. Let me write first x term, then y term. Now constant. If there is no symbol, we will take plus symbol. Yes, it is like standard form now. X term, y term, then constant. We will write here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to x coefficient. If there is no coefficient, we can write into 1. 1 into x only. So a is equal to x coefficient how much? 1. A is equal to 1 or plus 1. B is equal to y coefficient how much? Minus root 3. C is equal to how much? C is equal to 4. That is the way we can find the values of A, B, C. Now let's simplify this. We need first x term, even I have x term, and second we need y term, then we need constant. Yes, it looks like standard form only. Minus x by 5 plus y by 7 minus 91 is equal to 0. X term, y term and constant. It is like a standard form. So do comparison of general form directly. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is nothing but x coefficient. Tell me what is x coefficient? Minus by 5. If there is no coefficient, we can write 1 into x how much? X only. Now tell me what is the x coefficient? I mean what is multiplier of x? Minus 1 by 5. Yes. You can write a is equal to minus 1 by 5. If there is no coefficient, we can write into 1. 1 into x gives us x only. So x coefficient, x multiplier is minus 1 by 5. Similarly, tell me what is b coefficient? Y coefficient here. B is y coefficient. Here y coefficient is what? If there is no coefficient, you can write 1 into y only. Now b is equal to how much? Y coefficient 1 by 7. I can write b is equal to 1 by 7. Constant term is what? C is equal to minus 91. So that is the way we can express like a standard form of a linear equation, two variables. I mean first x term, then y term, then constant. After that we write the values of a, b, c. Hope everyone you understood today class. We discussed about what is a linear equation, one variable, what is simple equation, how many solutions are there for linear equation one variable, and how many solutions are there for a linear equation 2 variable, and also few examples we solved. Hope you understood, and based on this exercise, first exercise, you try to complete homework. Thank you. We'll meet next class.